buddy just got a new bike. What is this, an XR 150?
125, man.
125 or 150?
125.
First bike, great choice. Perfect size. All of them were apparently California, so let's take out this spark arrestor. It's at 8 mil. It's gonna be long, so yeah. It's gonna be a little bit louder. You're pumped now, huh?
Oh yeah, babe, I'll be right back.
Alright, I'm gonna cut this thing like back here so we can put this back on. And that guy. Alright, check it out. Let's throw some sparks while he takes that for a little test drive. Gotta help out friends, you know? It's his first bike. First time really riding. He's super excited. We're gonna make this a little better. Let's give him a little bit more of an experience with some noise. Oh, there he goes. He's loving it. Clean it up a little. Alright, so that's what we're left with. We're going to clean up these burrs. Took out this baffle and a lot of the matting to quiet it. That quiets it down. Now we're going to clean up these burrs. Little file action here. Don't clamp hard though. It's free flowing. Easy. Two or three clicks. You don't want to strip that down.
Where's that Allen key at?
Somewhere in my pocket. Oh, we.
This.
Oh, much freer. Much freer. Fire that thing up.